Hey! Welcome back to our channel Space Odyssey. Imagine this. You're thousands of miles away from Earth, orbiting the planet, when suddenly, something goes wrong. Communications fade, systems malfunction, and you're left floating in space, unsure of what's going to happen next. This isn't a movie. This is the story of Sunita Williams, the Indian origin astronaut who found herself in a dangerous situation aboard the International Space Station. Was she really trapped in space? And if so, how did it happen? Stay with us as we uncover the incredible truth behind Sunita Williams's perilous mission. Before we dive into the heart-pounding events of that day, let's first understand who Sunita Williams is. Sunita Williams, born to an Indian father and Slovenian mother, became an astronaut in 1998. She's logged more than 322 days in space, becoming one of the most experienced astronauts in NASA's history. Known for her spacewalks and leadership, she has always been a trailblazer in space exploration. But with all that experience, not even she could have predicted the events that were about to unfold. In 2012, Sunita Williams was assigned to Expedition 3233 aboard the International Space Station. The mission was going as planned: routine scientific experiments, spacewalks, and system maintenance. Everything seemed normal. But space is never truly safe. And then, something happened that no one could have seen coming. It all started with a malfunction. A critical system aboard the ISS began to fail. The electrical system powering the station's critical functions started showing signs of failure. The lights flickered. Systems started going offline. The temperature in parts of the station began to drop. For Sunita Williams and her crew, it was a race against time. Without power, life support could fail. And, with the Earth spinning below them at over 17,000 miles per hour, there was no immediate way home. They were running out of options. If the power system couldn't be restored, they could be trapped in space. With the station's systems failing, NASA had one shot to save the mission. They needed an astronaut to perform a spacewalk to manually repair the failing power system. The stakes were high. One wrong move, and it could all be over. Sunita Williams stepped up. With nerves of steel, she suited up for one of the most dangerous spacewalks of her career. In the freezing vacuum of space, one small mistake could have sent her drifting into the endless void. But as always, Sunita stayed calm, collected, and focused. She reached the critical panel and began her work. But then, just when things seemed to be under control, a new problem emerged. Sunita's spacesuit began to malfunction. The pressure inside her suit fluctuated, and the risk of a life-threatening suit breach became real. Imagine being 270 miles above Earth, with nothing but a thin suit protecting you from the cold vacuum of space, and suddenly, you realize it's failing. Time was running out. With oxygen levels dropping, she knew she had to act fast. But instead of panicking, Sunita did what she does best: she remained calm and followed her training. After what felt like an eternity, Sunita Williams managed to stabilize her suit and complete the repairs. With the electrical system back online, life support was restored, and the station was safe. She returned to the ISS, exhausted but victorious. The mission, once on the brink of disaster, had been saved thanks to her skill, bravery, and relentless determination. A rescue mission is already underway, thanks to the recent launch of SpaceX Crew 9, which carries 2 NASA astronauts, Mark and Emily, on board. Even though Emily and Mark are experienced astronauts, this mission is not like any other. They're not just heading to the ISS for a scheduled visit, they're racing against time to save Sunita. They'll also have to overcome unforeseen obstacles in their path. There are several moving parts on the ISS voyage. Every step matters, from ensuring life support systems are operating to docking protocols. Moreover, surprises regarding the unknowns of space can arise at any time. Just think of the pressure. They have to be prepared for anything. If something goes wrong, it could jeopardize the entire rescue mission. Will they be able to reach Sunita in time? This mission isn't just about one astronaut, it's a testament to international collaboration in space exploration. NASA and SpaceX are collaborating closely, demonstrating how collaboration keeps the idea alive even under the most dire circumstances. Sunita Williams represents a growing community of diverse voices in space. Her journey in this rescue mission inspires countless individuals, especially in India and among women worldwide. It's about resilience and courage. All eyes are on Crew 9 as they travel to the International Space Station. What will happen when they finally dock? How are they going to plan the rescue? We can't take our eyes off these questions. We'll be following this story closely, providing updates as they unfold. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any details. Stay tuned as we watch this incredible mission develop. What do you think will happen next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the wonders of our universe.